Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to part 4 of the video. In part 1, I've showed you the technique of making the bottom part of bag. In part 2, I moved to the technique of making the body of bag using braided cobble stitches. In part 3, I've made the extended body of bag using similar stitches. In this part, I'll show you how to chain the threads and how to make the final part of bag. I'll start from here. This is the last rounds of bag using these threads. 4 double crochets. One, two, three, 4. Okay. These 3 chains which are made at the beginning of these rounds are considered as the last double crochet. It's time to change the thread. Start with 1 chain, pull the loop up, insert the hook into this chain, then get the new thread, insert the hook into the third of the 3 chains, this stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 stitches. Make 3 chains which are considered as the last double crochet. Pull the 2 yarn tails up to get them fastened. Pull off each of them. Then tie them together. After that, continue the work. These 3 chains are considered as the last double crochet. Then make the main pattern according to the rounds of the pattern. This one is an odd round. Make 3 front post treble crochet through the previous 3 front post treble crochet. This is the first one. The second one. The third one. Just like before, move back to the 3 skip previous treble crochet. Make 1 new front post treble crochet through each of them. This is the first one. This is the second one. This one is the third one. After that, 3 front post double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat the main pattern using these threads until you get the height you desire. This is the last part and the last round of main pattern using these threads. Have a look. The combination of these two colors are really suitable with the braided couple stitches I use for this bag. Now, I'll chain the thread again. Just like before, make 1 chain and pull the loop up. Insert the hook into the chain. Insert the hook into the third of the 3 chains. Get the new threads, grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 stitches. Then, make 3 chains, which are considered as the last double crochet. Pull out these 2 yarn tails to get them fastened. Do it one by one like this, and pull another one. Then, tie these 2 yarn tails together. Make it twice. 1, 2. 2 times are much better. Continue the work. These 3 chains are considered as the last double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in every stitch. 1 double crochet in this first stitch. This is the final part of this bag. What you're gonna do here is to make 1 double crochet in every stitch. I forgot to let you know earlier that the main pattern of this bag is made of the multiplication of 14. So each set of main pattern consists of 14 stitches. At this part, it consists of 14 double crochets. So the total amount of double crochets of each round are 168. This is the first round. I will make double crochets as much as 6 rounds. This is the last part of the first round. When you are here, you need to find the third of the 3 chains and make a slip stitch. To start the second round, make 3 chains, then make first regular double crochet above the previous regular double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in every stitch. This is the beginning of the second round. And this is the last part of the 6th round. Let me complete this pattern first. 1 last double crochet. Then find out the third of the 3 chains and make a slip stitch in it. This is the third of the 3 chains. Slip stitch. Then I'll cut the yarn. Then I will hide this yarn tail using tapestry needle. You can also hide it using smaller crochet hook if you want, but I prefer using tapestry needle. Hide this yarn tail among the stitches. Make it like this. cut the yarn. Okay, complete. Well, everyone, have a look. The pattern I used for this project and the combination of these two threads make the result look so gorgeous and so beautiful. However, I still have not made the drawstring rope on the handle of this bag yet due to my tight writing hours. I'll make it on the next video and see you then. Have a good day and happy crochet. Assalamualaikum.